Hello everyone, welcome to another Booking.com tutorial video and guide. In this video, I will show you how to change currency in Booking.com on your mobile phone. So if you're using the Booking.com app, make sure you log in into the app and let's get started with the video. So first of all, make sure to just go into Booking.com app, and as you can see, you will basically see here a hamburger menu. This is the menu you want to go for any settings that you might occur. So next thing, what you want to do is you want to actually go to settings. So just ignore all of these and go to the settings, straight to the settings. And here, as you can see, you will have currency. So once you click on currency, you will get a lot of different currencies that you can change from. You have, Russian ruble, you have Singaporean dollar, Turkish lira. So you can basically find your currency and just click on the currency. Now that will basically change the currency, as you can see, in the Booking.com application. So the next time that you're actually booking a spot or vacation or rental on Booking.com or even a hotel, you will have your hotel's booking within this currency. So you will basically go and purchase with this currency right here. So that's basically how to change the Booking.com currency. You can also go and register or sign in to your Booking.com online, and you can change this online on your PC. So it's pretty much the same process, but yeah, this is how to change currency in Booking.com application. If you have any other questions, or if you want to see more Booking.com tutorial videos, definitely check out our channel for more. Thank you guys for watching.